Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about consumers and consumer deserializer. So let's first focus on the consumers. First point is consumers read data from a topic, and topic is identified by its name, and topic uses pull model. We have seen how to provide data into a topic, but now we need to read data from the topic, and for this we are going to use consumer implement the pull model. That means consumer are going to request data from the Kafka broker, and then they will get the response back. It's not the Kafka broker pushing data to the consumer, it's a pull model. The second point is consumer automatically know how broker to read from. The consumer when need to read data from a partition, they will automatically know which broker or Kafka server to read. In case of broker failure, consumer know how to recover. In case broker has a failure, the consumer are again very smart, they know how to recover for this. Next point is data is read in order from low to high offset within each partition. The data being read from all these partitions is going to be read in order from low to high offsets. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on within each partition. In this block diagram we can see the first consumer is going to read data in order for topic A, partition 0, from the offset 0 all the way to offset 7. In the same way, the consumer 2 that is going to read data in order from partition 1 and partition 2. But remember, there is no ordering guaranteed across partition 1 and partition 2 because they are different partition. The only ordering we have is within each partition. Our next topic is consumer deserializer. Deserializer indicates how to transform byte into object. Consumer read message and they need to transform these byte that they receive from Kafka into object or data. So we have a key that is a binary format and a value that is also a binary format which corresponds to the data in your Kafka message, and then we need to transform them and put them into an object that is our programming language can use. Next point is they are used on the value and key of the message. The consumer has to know in advance what is the format of your message. In this block diagram we can see we are converting the bytes into their corresponding object, and this for example this consumer know that my key is an integer and therefore is going to use an integer deserializer here to transform key that is byte into an integer value. Then the key object back to the integer value, and the same for the value also. So here consumer use string deserializer to convert the value into a string object. Common deserializers are string, int, float, avro and protobuf. The deserialization type must not change during a topic life cycle. That means that within your topic life cycle, so as long as your topic is created, you cannot change the type of data that is being sent by the producer. Otherwise, you are going to break your consumer, because your consumer going to expect, for example, integer and string, but you are going to change them into floats and avro, and that will be a big problem. So if you want to change the data type of your topic, what you have to do is to create a new topic instead. That's all for this consumer and consumer deserializer lecture. I hope you like this lecture, and I will see you in next lecture.